Okay, here we have another question of probability, and this question is from the latest past paper 2021, June 2021, paper 2, question 11. A bag contains 12 balls. There are X black balls in the bag and the other balls are white. So we have X black balls. So black balls are X. So white balls will be, as we have total 12 balls, so the white balls will be 12 minus X. Okay, so if we write the probability of black, it will be X upon 12, and the probability of white will be 12 minus X upon 12. So first of all, they are saying two balls are taken at random from the bag without replacement. So here we have a case of without replacement. So when we select the same colors, we will reduce both numerator and denominator, and when we select the different colors, then we will reduce only denominator. Now first we will complete this tree diagram. So as I had written that we have X black balls, okay, and for white it will be 12 minus X, because altogether we have 12 balls. Now they have already written the probability of first ball, either it is black or white. They have mentioned this, it's X upon 12 and 12 minus X upon 12. If the first ball is black, then we will reduce, and the second ball is again black, then we will reduce both numerator and denominator. So that's why here they have reduced numerator, so it's X minus 1, and the denominator also, so that here we have 11. Now if the first ball is black and now we are selecting second ball and it is white, okay, so up till now we have not taken any white ball, so in numerator we will take total white ball, so it's 12 minus X, but we will reduce the denominator, so when we reduce 1 from the denominator, it is 11. Now if the first ball is white, up till now we have not taken any black ball, so all X black balls are in the bag, so the probability of first black ball will be X upon, we will reduce the denominator, so it is 11. Now here in this case, when we have white and again we are taking white, so in this case we will reduce both numerator and denominator. So how we will reduce this one? 12 minus X, we will reduce 1 from the numerator and similarly 1 from the denominator. So it's 12 minus X minus 1, so it will be 11. 12 minus 1 is 11 minus X upon 11. Okay, now when you complete this tree diagram, you will get 2 marks for this. Now in the next part, they are saying find an expression for the probability of taking one ball of each color. So it means we will take black and white or white and black. Here we have two conditions, like we can take first black second white or first white second black. Okay, so here we have two possibilities. So according to this, the first ball can be black and second one is white, or the first one is white and second one is black. Now when we write the probabilities, so see here the first black is X upon 12 multiply by, for the second white is 12 minus X upon 11, or means add, for the first white is 12 minus X upon 12 multiply by, for the second black is X upon 11. Okay, now as they are saying to give answer in terms of X, so we will multiply both numerator and denominator on both sides, okay, and then we will take an LCM and simplify it. So X multiplied by 12 minus X plus X multiplied by 12 minus X, okay, and in denominator when we multiply 11 and 12, it's 132. So if I write all together, it will be 132. Now when we simplify the numerator, it will be 12x minus x squared, and similarly plus 12x minus x squared upon 132. So when we add this one, it is 12x and 12x is 24x and minus 2x squared upon 132. Now here we can take common 2 and then cancel it with the denominator. So if we do so, when we take common 2 from the numerator, it will be 12x minus x square upon 132. So when we cancel 132 from this, 2 6 times 12 and 2 6 times 12. So the final answer is 12x minus x square upon 66. So we have got answer in terms of x. Now let's see what are they saying in the next part. So in the next part they are saying the probability that both balls are black is 14 upon 33. So it means probability of black and black is 14 upon 33. Okay, the probability of black and black is 14 upon 33. So on the left hand side, now we will multiply the probability of black and black. So let's check what is the probability of black and black. So here the probability of first black is x upon 12 and the probability of second black is x minus 1 upon 11. Now let's multiply these two probabilities, x upon 12 and x minus 1 upon 11. X upon 12 and x minus 1 upon 11 is equal to 14 upon 33. Now when we multiply both numerators, so it's x minus 1 upon 11 multiplied by 12 is 132 is equal to 14 upon 33. Now when we cross multiply and simplify this, so we will cross multiply this, so it's 33x and x minus 1 is equal to 14 into 132. So we will get the quadratic equation. So it is 33x square minus 33x is equal to 14 multiplied by 132 is 1848. 1848. Now when we shift this on the left hand side, so it's 33x square minus 33x minus 1848 is equal to 0. Now remember here, as this part has 4 marks, so for 4 marks you have to apply and show all these steps. Like here you will apply the quadratic formula and then when you simplify it you will get two values of x. So here the value of A is 33. Okay, the value of A is 33. Value of B is minus 33. And the value of C is minus 1848. Now we will substitute this in the quadratic formula. When we substitute it in the quadratic formula, it's x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now when we substitute all values, minus 33 plus minus under root minus 33 square minus 4, A is 33 and C is minus 1848 upon 2 into 33. Now it is 33 plus minus under root, we will take the square of 33, okay, and minus minus will be plus, 4 multiplied by 33 multiplied by 1848. So the square of 33 is 1089, and when we multiply 4 by 33 and 1848, it's 243936. 243936. Now when we add 1089 into this and take its square root, then it's 495. So 33 plus minus 495 upon 66. Okay, so once we will write 33 plus 495 upon 66, and the second one will be 33 minus 495 upon 66. When we simplify this, So 495 plus 33 divided by 66 is 8. And the other one is 495 minus 33 and divided by 66 is minus 7. Okay, so as what they were asking in the question, form an equation in X and solve it to find the number of black balls in the bag. Show your working. So as we know that in the start of the question it is given that X balls are black. So here we have got two values of X, 8 and minus 7. As X is the number of balls, so it cannot be negative. So here we have got one positive answer and one negative answer. So we will neglect the negative answer and take the positive answer. So the value of X is 8. Okay, I hope you have understood this question. Thank you.